significant milestone, I extend my sincere appreciation to our vibrant UKG students who have grown into compassionate, dynamic individuals. Your energy and enthusiasm are a testament to school's commitment to fostering young individuals. I also take this opportunity to congratulate our students who excelled in Rainbow Talent Search exam.